Have you ever dreamed of escaping to nature, exploring the open road, or simply taking your comfort zone on wheels? What if you could bring your own cozy little home with you, wherever you go? Well, today we're unveiling the Mini Mobile Camper Tricycle, a groundbreaking concept that combines adventure, sustainability, and the ultimate sense of freedom. Let's dive into what makes this tiny home on wheels so amazing. The Mini Mobile Camper Tricycle is a compact yet incredibly functional vehicle that brings together the essence of camping and cycling in one portable package. Imagine the perfect blend of comfort and mobility. It's like a mobile tiny home, but with the added thrill of cycling. Compact, eco-friendly, and a great way to explore, this camper is redefining what it means to travel light. Let's take a closer look at the design. This camper is built on a tricycle frame, ensuring stability and smooth rides even on uneven terrain. The three-wheel setup provides better balance, making it safer for long journeys, and the compact design allows you to maneuver easily through narrow paths, parks, or campgrounds. It's the perfect solution for those who want to embrace the outdoors without sacrificing the comforts of home. One of the standout features of the Mini Mobile Camper Tricycle is its fold-out design. With a few quick moves, it transforms from a compact tricycle into a fully functional mobile home. The fold-out walls provide extra space, offering a cozy nook where you can relax, eat, and sleep, all while being surrounded by nature. Whether you're parked by a beach, in the middle of a forest, or on a quiet mountain pass, you'll have your little sanctuary on wheels. Inside, the Mini Mobile Camper Tricycle has been designed with efficiency in mind. It features a fully functional sleeping area, a compact kitchen setup, and even storage for your gear. The bed folds down into a small yet comfortable setup for a good night's rest. The kitchenette includes a portable stove, a mini fridge, and a small sink for washing up after a day of adventure. The Mini Mobile Camper Tricycle is designed with sustainability in mind. Equipped with solar panels, this camper can harness the power of the sun to keep your devices charged, run the fridge, or power your lights at night. It's an eco-friendly option that reduces your carbon footprint while still giving you the freedom to roam. So how does the Mini Mobile Camper Tricycle perform on the road? Let's put it to the test. Thanks to its robust three-wheel design, the ride is incredibly smooth and stable, even on bumpy roads. The electric motor provides a comfortable, easy ride, making long trips more enjoyable without tiring yourself out. You can easily cruise through forests, coastal paths, or mountain trails, all while carrying your home with you. One of the greatest advantages of the Mini Mobile Camper Tricycle is how practical it is for short getaways or long-term adventures. It's compact enough to fit into urban areas, and you can park it almost anywhere. Whether you're at a campsite, at the beach, or even in the heart of a city, you can set up camp in minutes. No need to worry about finding a hotel or dealing with traditional RV parking spaces. It's all about the convenience and freedom to roam wherever you please. Whether you're a minimalist looking to downsize your life or an adventurer seeking new horizons, the Mini Mobile Camper Tricycle is the ideal solution. It's perfect for solo travelers, couples, or small families who want to hit the road without the hassle of larger RVs or campers. This is your ticket to a simpler, more fulfilling way of living on the move. Don't let its small size fool you. The Mini Mobile Camper Tricycle is packed with clever storage solutions. From bike racks to storage compartments for camping gear, food, and essentials, this camper has plenty of room to keep all your adventure gear organized. And the best part? It's fully customizable. You can adjust the layout, add extra features, or even personalize the exterior with your own unique style. Beyond the personal benefits, the Mini Mobile Camper Tricycle also offers a unique opportunity to connect with others. It's perfect for social gatherings, camping trips with friends, or meeting like-minded adventurers on the road. The tiny home vibe fosters a sense of community, making it easy to share experiences and create lasting memories with others. So, if you're ready to embrace a new way of living, to escape the hustle and bustle of modern life, and to take your comfort zone with you wherever you go, the Mini Mobile Camper Tricycle is the perfect companion for your next adventure. Compact, sustainable, and fully equipped for a life on the move, it's the future of tiny homes on wheels. Thanks for joining us on this journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest videos. We'd love to hear what you think about the Mini Mobile Camper Tricycle. Could this be your next adventure vehicle? Let us know in the comments below.